So this is the one of the problem from model 2 theoretical distribution. The problem is the atoms are a radioactive element are randomly disintegrating. If every gram of this element an average emits 3.9 alpha particles per second, what is the probability that during the next second the number of alpha particles emitted from 1 gram is at most 6. The second one we need to find is at least 2. So the solution for this, so we take it as let x be the random variable. Denoting the number of radio active element. So in this place the atom radioactive element is randomly disintegrating. That means the output or outcomes of unlimited. So we should use the Poisson distribution here. So given mean value. So they gave that average value is 3.9. That means mean value lambda equal to 3.9 given. So here there are unlimited outcomes. So we should use Poisson distribution. So this is the formula for Poisson distribution. P of x equal to x. The formula is e power minus lambda, lambda power e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. So this is the formula for Poisson distribution. In the first case, we need to find the at most 6. That is P of x less than or equal to 6. Here they mentioned that at most value is 6 means we should include the 6 value also. So there are possible values P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2 plus P of x equal to 3 plus P of x equal to 4 plus P of x equal to 5 plus P of x equal to 6. So we need to just substitute the value x in the place here. That means first one e power minus lambda is common. So lambda power x. Here x is 0. So 0 by 0 factorial. Similarly e power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial plus e power minus lambda, lambda power 2 by 2 factorial plus e power minus lambda, lambda power 3 by 3 factorial. So plus e power minus lambda, lambda power 4 by 4 factorial plus e power minus lambda, lambda power 5 by 5 factorial plus e power minus lambda, lambda power 6 by 6 factorial. The next step, we need to substitute the value for lambda. So in all the cases, lambda value equal to 3.9. So here minus lambda, so minus 3.9. So lambda power 0, that is 3.9 power 0 by 0 factorial plus e power minus 3.9 into 3.9 power 1 by 1 factorial plus e power minus 3.9 power 2 by 2 factorial plus e power minus 3.9 into 3.9 by 9 power 3 by 3 factorial plus e power minus 3.9 power 4 by 4 factorial plus e power minus 3.9 into 3.9 power 5 by 5 factorial plus e power minus 3.9 into 3.9 power 6 by 6 factorial. In general, n factorial means n factorial is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplication until the n value. For example, 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 3, 2 into 3 6. So 3 factorial value will be equal to 6. So you can find this value, n factorial value, using calculator. So using calculator you can find the values, that is 0.02 plus 0.079 plus 0.154 plus 0.2 plus 0.195 plus 0.152 plus 0.099. So the sum of all the values equal to p of x less than or equal to 6, that is at most 6 value equal to 0.899. The second one, we need to find the value for probability of x greater than or equal to 2. So probability of x greater than or equal to 2, the one another formula is, which is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than 2. So 1 minus, so less than 2, there are two cases only, p of x equal to 0, p of x equal to 1. Suppose if equality symbol is there, means we should not include the equal symbol here. So no equality means less than 2 means the only cases are 0 and 1 only. Okay, that is 1 minus, we already found that p of x equal to 0 value is 0.02 and 0.079. So 0.02 plus 0.079. So that is 1 minus 0.099. So probability of x greater than or equal to 2 equal to 0.901. So the another question is, demonstrate the moment generating function of Poisson distribution. So solution is, first we need to write the Poisson distribution formula. So Poisson distribution P of x equal to e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. So this is the formula for Poisson distribution. So we need to find the moment generating function. That is m x of, in notation, mx of t. So this is e of e power dx, which is equal to summation x equal to 0 to infinity e power dx into p of x. So m x of t equal to summation x equal to 0 to infinity e power dx. In the place of p of x, just to substitute the value e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. So we can take outside the constant value, that is e power minus lambda. The remaining terms are summation x equal to 0 to infinity e power dx lambda power x by x factorial. So while applying the x value from 0 to infinity, so e power minus lambda, the term will be lambda e power lambda e power this term we can write it as e power minus lambda summation x equal to 0 to infinity lambda e power t power x. That means x power, it contribute for lambda power x and e power tx by x factorial. So lambda e power t power, in the x value 0, so 0 by 0 factorial plus lambda e power t x value 1 by 1 factorial. Similarly, lambda e power t 2 by 2 factorial and so on. So e power minus lambda. So here any number power 0, the value will be 1. 1 by 0 factorial value also 1. So 1 by 1 equal to 1. 1 plus lambda e power t power 1 by 1 factorial plus lambda e power t squared by 2 factorial plus and so on. See, in general, e power x formula, e power x equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x squared by 2 factorial plus and so on. So while comparing these two equations, in the place of x, lambda e power t is the one is here, x by 1 factorial, x squared by 2 factorials, the same equation. So we can write it as e power minus lambda into e power, in the place of x, what is the value is the lambda e power t. So both the bases are same, so e power minus lambda plus lambda e power t. So this is the formula for moment generating function of for Poisson distribution. So problem completed.